Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into how to keep your Nissan Skyline GT-R in top-notch condition. Whether you own a classic or 32 or the latest or 35, these tips will ensure your GT-R stays a beast on the road and a showstopper in the garage. First up, engine care. The heart of your GT-R deserves special attention. Regularly check your oil levels and change the oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Use high-quality synthetic oil recommended for your model. And don't forget to inspect the turbo system for any leaks or where GT-Rs are known for their precision handling. To keep it sharp, inspect the suspension components regularly. Look for worn-out bushings and ensure your shocks are in great shape. Also, align your wheels and check tire pressure frequently to maintain that perfect grip. A GT-R isn't just a car, it's a statement. Wash it regularly using the 2-bucket method to prevent scratches. Wax it every 3 months to protect the paint and keep it looking showroom fresh. And don't forget to treat the underbody to prevent rust, especially if you live in a region with harsh winters. Your GT-R's stopping power is just as important as its speed. Check the brake pads and rotors regularly, especially if you love taking it to the track. For the transmission, replace the fluid as per the manufacturer's guidelines to ensure smooth gear changes. The GT-R is a tech powerhouse. Ensure all sensors and electronics, like the ATES ETS system and onboard diagnostics, are functioning properly. If you see any warning lights, get them checked immediately. With a little love and care, your Nissan Skyline GT-R will reward you with unmatched performance and style for years to come. Hit that like button if you found these tips helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more GT-R content. See you next time.